Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel Bhor. So today we are going to solve unit 1 January 2024 question paper. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so question number 1 looks like a fill in the blank. So let's read it out first. Red blood cells transport oxygen to the cells of the body. So RBC does what? It transports the oxygen throughout the body into the cell. So read through the following description of how oxygen is transported from lungs of respiration. Complete the description by writing the most appropriate word or words. So we can write more than one word, okay, on the dotted lines. Oxygen binds to dash inside red blood cells. So oxygen binds to what? It's really easy. It binds to the dash inside the red blood cell. It's really easy. The oxygen molecule binds to the hemoglobin. We can say hemoglobin, or we can also even write the iron. Okay, if you write only iron, then the R mark will be deducted, but if you write iron, then that will be the correct answer. So okay. Hemoglobin. Oxygen binds to this molecule in the lungs where the partial pressure of oxygen is higher compared with the elsewhere in the body. So where does hemoglobin is going to bind with oxygen? Of course, in the place where the partial pressure of oxygen is higher, right? If hemoglobin is in a place where partial pressure of carbon dioxide, oxygen is higher, then at that moment it will leave the oxygen from its body and will attach with the carbon dioxide. Okay, so of course when the partial pressure of oxygen is higher, it binds with the hemoglobin. The oxygenated blood returns to the heart in the blood vessels called the dash and is pumped to the body by the part of the heart called the dash. Okay, so the oxygenated blood returns to the heart in the blood vessel. So from where does the oxygenated blood returns to the heart in the blood vessel? By the pulmonary vein. It's the only vein which comes towards the heart, right? It's the pulmonary vein. It goes from the lungs to the heart, and it brings oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Pulmonary vein. and is pumped to the body by the part of the heart called it's the chamber of the heart. Okay, the part of the heart that is left ventricle, right? Because the pulmonary vein brings the blood into the heart, right? And the heart pumps it out, right? So it brings and is pumped to the body by the part of the heart, left ventricle. In the tissue, the ability of this molecule to bind oxygen is affected by the higher concentration of carbon dioxide, and this is called Bhor effect. Okay, this is the name of the process. So we're done with question 1. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day.